Show me that. Oh, it's a big one, huh? It's folded. Oh my God. Woo. All right. That is it Bruce Willis? Bruce Willis, right? Yeah, Bruce Willis.
Yeah, Billy Bob Thornton.
Cool. Okay, let's put it in here.
Sweet.
So, nag-clear ako ng garage. So, I'm getting rid of that. Itong table na to is free. Itong microwave, may nakamay na yan. So, this big TV around 48 inches for free. Ito, for free na rin to. Not the TV. Just the two-seater couch and the single-seater. That fits? Should be good.
Yep.
Still have another one.